Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you just starting out on YouTube, staring at that single-digit subscriber count and wondering how you'll ever get to that first big milestone, 100 subscribers? Trust me, we've all been there. It can feel like a huge mountain to climb, but today, I'm going to break it down for you. I'm sharing 9 essential tips that will take your channel from 0 to your first 100 subs and set you up for long-term success. So grab a notebook and let's get started on your YouTube journey. First things first, and this is non-negotiable, you have to define your niche. Who are you making videos for? What problem are you solving? Or what entertainment are you providing? Don't try to be everything to everyone. Are you the go-to person for vegan baking? The expert on vintage camera repairs? Or maybe the funniest Fortnite player out there? Picking a specific niche makes it easier for the right audience to find you, and for YouTube's algorithm to understand who to recommend your videos to. When a viewer discovers your channel and sees a whole library of content they're interested in, they're far more likely to hit that subscribe button. So, before you even hit record, ask yourself, what is my channel all about? Clarity is your best friend. Once you know your niche, it's time to focus on tip number 2. Create content for your ideal viewer, not for yourself. This is a common mistake beginners make. We create what we think is cool, but we don't consider what our audience is actually searching for. Use tools like YouTube's search bar autocomplete, Google Trends, or free keyword research tools to see what questions people are asking in your niche. What are their pain points? What are they curious about? Create videos that provide answers and solutions. Your first 100 subscribers will come from people who found your video, because it was exactly what they were looking for. Serve your audience first, and the growth will follow. Tip number 3 is all about quality over quantity, especially when you're starting out. You don't need a Hollywood film studio, but your audio and video need to be clean and clear. A shaky, poorly lit video with muffled audio is an instant turnoff for a new viewer. Your smartphone is probably more than capable of shooting great video, but invest in a cheap tripod to keep your shots stable and make sure you're in a well-lit space. Even more important is audio. People will tolerate less than perfect video, but they will click away instantly if they can't hear you clearly. A simple lavalier microphone that plugs into your phone can make a world of difference and is one of the best early investments you can make. Now let's talk about the first thing people see, your thumbnails and titles. This is tip number 4, and it's your video's first impression. You could have the best video in the world, but if your thumbnail is boring and your title is vague, no one will click on it. Your thumbnail should be bright, clear, and easy to understand even when it's small. Use bold text, a high-quality image of your face with an expressive emotion, and contrasting colors to make it pop. Your title needs to be compelling and include keywords people are searching for. Think how to bake the perfect sourdough bread instead of just my baking video. A great title and thumbnail combination creates curiosity and promises value, which is key to earning that click. Okay, you've got them to click. Now what? Tip number 5 is to hook them in the first 15 seconds. The beginning of your video is the most critical part. Don't waste time with a long, fancy intro. Get straight to the point. Tell the viewer exactly what they're going to get from watching your video. You can start with a question, a shocking statistic, or a quick preview of the final result. For example, in the next 10 minutes, you're going to learn the 3 biggest mistakes new YouTubers make and how to avoid them. This confirms to the viewer that they've clicked on the right video and gives them a reason to keep watching. Your audience retention will thank you for it. Tip number 6 is a simple one, but it's so often forgotten. Ask people to subscribe. It might feel a little awkward at first, but you need to guide your viewers on what to do next. Don't just say, subscribe to my channel. Give them a reason. A great place to do this is right after you've provided a really valuable piece of information. You can say something like, if you found that tip helpful, make sure you subscribe for more weekly videos just like this one. You can also mention it at the end. It's a call to action. You've provided value, and now you're politely asking for their support in return. You'd be surprised how many people will subscribe simply because you reminded them to. My 7th tip is to engage with every single comment you receive. When you only have a few viewers, you have a massive advantage over bigger channels. You can build a real community. When someone takes the time to comment on your video, they are your first true fans. Reply to them, thank them, ask them a follow-up question. This makes them feel seen and valued, and it turns a casual viewer into a loyal member of your community. It also signals to the YouTube algorithm that your video is generating engagement, which can help it get pushed out to more people. So, cherish those early comments. They are pure gold. Tip number 8 is about leveraging the power of other platforms. Don't just upload your video to YouTube and hope for the best. Promote it. Share your new video on your personal social media accounts like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. But don't just drop a link. Create a short, native clip for that platform, maybe a 30-second teaser or a vertical video talking about what your new YouTube video is about. Tell people why they should go and watch the full video. You can also find online communities like Reddit subreddits or Facebook groups related to your niche, where you can share your content, as long as you follow the group's rules and provide value instead of just spamming your link. Finally, tip number 9 is perhaps the most important of all. Be consistent and be patient. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. You're not going to get 100 subscribers overnight. The algorithm rewards consistency. Try to set a realistic upload schedule, whether it's once a week or once every 2 weeks, and stick to it. This lets your audience know when to expect new content from you. There will be videos that you pour your heart into that get very few views. That's okay. It happens to everyone. The key is to not get discouraged. Learn from each video, see what works and what doesn't, and keep creating. Your first 100 subscribers are the hardest to get, but by staying consistent, you're building a foundation for incredible growth down the line. So, there you have it. 9 actionable tips to get you from 0 to your first 100 subscribers. Find your niche, create for your audience, focus on quality, master your titles and thumbnails, hook your viewers early, ask for the sub, engage with your community, promote your work, and above all, be patient and consistent. It's a lot to take in, but focus on improving one of these areas with each new video you make. You can do this. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, it would mean the world to me if you'd hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss out on more YouTube growth tips. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to work on first. I can't wait to see your channels grow. We'll see you in the next one.